Hi, I'm Kelly Peace, a speaker with Clear Concept. When it comes to helping people do their best work, ease overwhelm, and reduce stress, I'm going to let you in on a little secret. It's all about your routines. Let's face it, life is anything but predictable. We're dealing with so many competing priorities in a world that's ever-changing. And when we're running flat out, it's really tempting to just keep on running. But that leads to one destination: burnout. I've been there before, it's never intentional, and it's so easy to lose your sense of excitement and purpose. Routines eliminate the feeling that you have to do something right now. Routines create the space in your day to focus on what matters. And routines help keep you grounded and reduce stress. We like to call routines your productivity superpower. But the benefits of routine aren't just limited to productivity. Routines are a key contributor to our overall health and well-being. Protecting time to eat, to move, to rest, to do things that we love help us to thrive at work and in life. Our proactive routine program is one of my favorites to facilitate. We love helping people come up with winning routines. This is such an important habit to invest in, and one that'll help you achieve outstanding results. I'm proud to be a speaker with Clear Concept, helping you to do your best work.